In this video, I will show you how to delete payload using Qdrant in N8n, step by step. If you're working with vector databases in your automation workflows and you need to remove payload data from your Qdrant collection, this is a quick and simple process. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more practical N8n guides. Let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation so you can add the Qdrant action in the right place. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel on the side. This is where you can search for and add new nodes to your workflow. From the Nodes panel, choose Qdrant. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. Once you click it, N8n will add the Qdrant node to your workflow canvas. After that, you'll see the available actions for the node. Now choose Delete Payload. This is the operation you need when you want to remove payload fields from data already stored in Qdrant. Select it, and then move on to the configuration settings. Depending on your setup, you may need to connect your Qdrant credentials first, so the node can communicate with your vector database. Next, configure what you want to delete. Set the collection, define the target records or filter conditions, and specify the payload information you want removed. Be careful here, because this determines exactly which data will be deleted from Qdrant. Make sure your inputs match the records you actually want to update. Once everything is set, review your node configuration one more time. If your workflow uses previous nodes, confirm that the data being passed into Qdrant is correct. Then save and run the workflow to test the action. If the configuration is right, N8n will send the request to Qdrant and delete the payload as specified. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete payload using Qdrant in N8n. It only takes a few steps. Open the workflow, add the Qdrant node, choose Delete Payload, and configure the fields you want. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more N8n tutorials, automations, and workflow tips.